can sell to China, it's easier to speak in Mandarin, you know. But yeah. I was thinking want to be a YouTuber now. I don't really want to be a YouTuber anymore. Because gotta talk too much to the camera. So lonely. Okay, enough for the nonsense. In this fucking video, I'm gonna show you how to assemble the monitor. So buy more monitor stands, so I will have some this, better that. Okay. This is Idea Home. We're back for another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to assemble this. Give me a second. Let me relax a little bit. Say nothing, my friend. We're back for another video. This is Idea Home. You saw my previous video. It was fancy, it was cool. But now, for two things. First of all, I'm sorry for my bad quality video audio quality. Second of all, my $2 setup. But here, I'm trying to explain to you. First question. How do we pack this item? We pack this item with the thick foam bubble cushion. Believe me, my friend, there's a whole lot of them. So now, let's unboxing this thing. 1, 2, okay. Now here's the stand. This is how we pack the stand. I mean the base for the monitor stand. It's covered with a very thick cushion inside the bubble. Perfect, no worries during the shipping. Okay, how big is the thing? This thing is giant, my friend. Look at my hand size. It's big, right? Look at it, it's big. And decent quality. It's got the weight on it, my friend. It has the full tag, the happy feet on the bottom. It will prevent the, what do you call it? It won't just walk moving around like that. Okay, let's move to the next item. I already actually unboxed this item for the video. That's why the packaging wasn't perfect. But now, let me demonstrate how this whole thing works. Let me just, okay, I'll just open it like this and show you. It looks like this. It has the full cushion on each corner for preventing the bumping on it. Okay, from the side and the bottom, of course, there's plenty of these cushion on it. Okay, now drop off this. Now, feels like a YouTuber. Sorry about that, my first YouTube video, you know. No audio, no lighting, unlike other people. They got that, what do you call it? Got everything on it. They have their own studio, they got their thing, you know, the microphone and all that. I got nothing. Give me a second, let me take this out. And then I'm explain to you. Okay, look at that, my friend. You can use both sides. Ignore the LED light strip. I already put it on it. So now, what's inside the box? You get a remote, okay? And this, let me just put it nicely, beautiful on the desk and show you installation preview video. Now I'll come back to you. Okay. This is Idea Home. We're back for another video. Believe me, my friend, this is I don't remember, this is probably the 6th time I will talk about how to assemble the monitor stand. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the monitor stand. First, outside the box, you get a 2 cable like this. One, it has 2 different sizes, different way. You can separate them if you want it. And then 1 long external cable. This is basically the same thing, but just longer. And of course, you get a remote. And then the control unit, happy feet, and this is my phone. Ignore that for now. I'm going to come back to that later. So now, before we begin everything, I want to point out the monitor shelf valve. You can decide it. If you want it, both sides can use it. It doesn't matter which side you want to use it. Both sides, just look at the texture. Choose your preferences. Both sides can work. That's fine. So first, you tape it on it. You can tape it like either way. Doesn't matter, up to you. You decide how you want to place it. So now, I'm going to demonstrate how you're connecting them. First, you need a control unit. Control unit has two cables. First, this one is for connecting all those IUD strip cable, and this one is, ignore that, this is the remote control receiver. First, remember to mention earlier that two cable like here. I don't remember what he called this, but it's a cable. So you just simply connecting to here, and then bring one of your base. Okay, connecting in one of your base. Doesn't matter, both sides can use it. Connecting here, and this one between these two base, the gap is pretty long. That's why we need an external cable. Remember this cable earlier? You just connecting to here. Remember, when you're connecting those cables, don't forget to connect your monitor stand. Also has an LED strip. That's why you need to connect in this one. So you just connect it here. Like that, easy peasy. For the last part, it has this cable. Connecting the external cable, you know. Of course you don't know, that's why you're watching this video for. Connecting here, and then connect to the left side base. Pretty much that's it. Oh yeah, not yet. So when you come back to the, where's that cable? Oh here. It comes with the box with the USB cable. You just plug it into the control unit, and for the inside you can connect to the PC or power bank, any way you want it. In this video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to connect into the power cable. Just connect like this. That's all you got to do. Yeah, it's all on. Let's change to try the blue color, yellow color, blue color, green color. The green color is working. Okay, so you can also control it with mobile phone app. How do you connect it in the control unit? On this bottom part, there's a QR code. Simply scan the QR code. I already scanned the QR code. And then download an app called Magic Lighting. Don't know if you can see it, but I'm just going to show you. Simple. When it's on, it will look like this. And then you can just simply change the color like that. If you want it, you can turn it on and turn on. I mean, it's easy. Turn on, turn off, and then you can decide what color you want. At the bottom, there's a presets for you to decide, and there's a bunch of things you can do with the phone. But yeah, easy. So I just want to mention very important thing is in the base, as you can see, there's 4 happy feet on it, because when you place it without happy feet, when you move, it's easy to move around, very slippery. But if you put a happy feet on it, I call it happy feet. I don't know what you call it, a rubber feet. And it will be very hard to move around. It will stay the same. That's why we get the extra piece. I would recommend you grab one of these, put a 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the front. So both sides can be used. For the bottom part, it will stay on the table very durably. And then you can, hold on, give me 1 second. The Coca-Cola is calling me. And then for the top part, you can place it like here. Pretty much that's it. That's how you assemble the monitor stand. So now, I'm going to talk about the external extra pieces. Extra base. When you're placing order and topic, the differences between two bases. In this base set, you have, when you're placing order for monitor stand, you have an option to decide what shape base do you want. There's no additional cost to it. For first one, it comes with the standard. Let's talk about this. In the standard, let me see, on the background, the white color background here. On the standard, look like this. Square shape, very classic, bulky, thick, solid. But personally, I like this one better. And the second version, I'm going to show the second version. They pretty much look the same, but the shape on each corner is cut out. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to show you. Yeah, you see this part? there's a triangle shape on the curve. Bring closer to the camera. You see? Side-by-side comparison for the both unit. Okay? Okay, see the big differences. See that? So, want to mention that when you're placing when you put it on the monitor stand, you can place it like this. That's a classic way to put it. Second one, you can place it lying down like this, lying down flat like this instead of standing up. This will allow you to give you the more height or the shoulder height, the flexibility for you to decide. What else we gotta talk about? Pretty much that's all, right? So yeah, this is idea home. Remember that, memorize that. In this video, I will show you how to assembling the monitor stand. This is everything you need so far. It has the monitor stand like this. You can use it for this side or that side. Both sides can use it, up to you. So when you receive the box, it has the LED light with the ring on it. You just tape it out like this. I already put it on it. I'm just going to move on to the next step. So first, you put your monitor stand like this. Or you can put a little bit in the middle. It's up to you. It depends on your preferences. But in this video is about how to connecting those. So now, this is the control unit here. And you have two extra cable. So first you connect to this one to here. So let me show you, all the connector is the same. Let me show you how to connect them. It's simple, easy. It has a clicker on it. You just simply insert it here, push in. It will just connect, stay like this from now. And then you have the two extra core here. And then you just, it doesn't matter which one. You can, either way is working. You can connect it here. Okay, now for the, as you know, this part, the left side base is a bit far than the right side, and then you need an external cable. I think you need an external cable. Oh, you move the second piece is here. This one, connect with him. That's all you gotta do. And then grab one of these. This is the longer cable, you know. And then connect it like this. And then connect with the left side. Okay. What next? Okay. You have the base also has the LED strip. Don't forget that. This one. So this one there's another external pieces connected here. Like this. Okay. That's it. That's all you gotta do. So let me explain what this part is. This one is this longer cable. This one. This is the control unit. Very important. One core is for connecting all those LED lights, and the other one is for receiver for your remote control. So now you have the power cable. You just connect it on the side. I'm just going to use it with the power bank instead of the computer or PC, but yes, you can decide where you want to put it. You just simply connect with the USB port, so it will turn on. Double check all the lights. Okay, like this. Checking the colors, green color, blue color, red color, red color. Okay, this is all fine. Turn off, turn on, everything's normal. So now, let me explain to you what this one is for. As you know, when we put it on the PC, you want to put the shelf on the top. It might just slippery moving around. That's why we give you the external piece. You can just grab one of these, like that. Let me just put on the each and bottom two on the bottom. Two on the front, it will stay like this. So this one you didn't put, that's why it will move like this. But if you put all the tape on it, it won't move. It will preventing the slippery and everything, so your stuff will be stable on the top. So yeah, and this one for the long-term period of time, it might get bent or there's a bend on it. You can just scratch on it to make it better if you want. That's up to you. So this is how to install this thing. Okay, now